Intro section, I want to talk about the power of sales funnel commitment. And what I mean by that is the things that you can accomplish when you commit to using sales funnels to grow your business. All right. And so I want to tell you a quick story to really demonstrate that power for you of committing to sales funnels. And so this is Kaylin and her husband here on stage. And Kaylin and her husband were struggling network marketers for several years. They were doing everything offline, so, individual one-on-one consultations, maybe home parties, things like that. And they were broke. They kept trying. They made enough to get by, but barely, sleeping mattresses on the floor and weren't sure if they had money for almond milk at the grocery store, so no money, no time to spend together. They were constantly just trying to work the business and close sales. And they finally reached a point where we can't go on like this anymore. And so they knew that the best way that they were going to be able to break out of it was by going online so they could reach more people at once, but they didn't know what that looked like exactly. So they ended up sitting down with a friend, and their friend told them about how they could use a sales funnel to close sales 24/7. And they were immediately like, wow, that sounds perfect. I am so tired of always trying to close sales on my own, being on the phone, never getting to see my spouse, and so they love the idea of using a sales funnel. And so they decided they were really going to commit to that. And so they put all of their savings into a training program about funnels. And it was made by Russell Brunson there on the right in the picture. And as they went through the course, they would pause in the middle of a video. They would go implement the step as they learned about it. Then they'd come back, hit play, learn what they needed to do next, and they'd go implement it. They were committed. They did it right away. And, shortly they were ready to launch their first funnel. And you ready for this? The day they launched their funnel, that first day, they made $13,402.22, which is insane, right? That's incredible results. And now, just a few years later, they've made over $10 million, and they focus on weight loss and helping women to get in shape. And they've made an impact on over 1.3 million women's lives. It's just such a phenomenal story of what happens when you make that mental switch and you decide, okay, sales funnels, I know that's going to help me, and that's how I'm going to grow my business. So I want to ask, do you want to launch your big idea and start making an impact on the world? If you do, a sales funnel is going to help you get there. Do you want to finally build a thriving business online that allows you to quit your job and create your dream lifestyle? Yes, because a sales funnel is going to help you do that. Do you want to have complete financial and time freedom while your successful business runs on autopilot? Because if so, you need a sales funnel to be able to do that. And do you want to share your gifts and your talents with more people and be financially rewarded for it? Then a sales funnel is going to allow you to reach that wider audience and get financially rewarded. All right. So, are you ready to commit to using sales funnels? You see the power that they have to radically change lives, to increase your profits, to help you reach a wider audience, make a bigger impact on the world. So, are you ready? Are you ready to stop wasting time on lead generation and personally closing sales one-on-one? Are you ready to work from your laptop from anywhere in the world? That is what a sales funnel is going to help you do. It's going to give you that freedom. Are you ready to make more money? Because sales funnels make 540 times the profits of a traditional website per customer. Sales funnels will help you to create your dream lifestyle for you and your family. And finally, they're going to allow you to make a greater impact by helping more people at once. So as we get ready then to really get into those 3 big questions that we're going to answer about what a sales funnel is and how it can help your business, I want to know, before we get there, are you ready to commit to using sales funnels? You see how powerful they are, the massive results that you can achieve in your personal life, in your finances, in your business. Are you ready to make that happen? If so, let's dive into module 1 then and start figuring out exactly what a sales funnel is. So I will see you there.